What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go with our friend Gala Games. Quite a swift drop over the last 24 hours, sitting at 0.025, down 4% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 171 million, 24-hour volume all the way down to 49 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. I have a full-length tutorial in the, just going to quickly fix the ISO here. In the description. Once you make your first deposit, you can email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Gala Games. So we were potentially looking at pushing a bit higher in a wave C, but Gala has dropped quite swiftly here, and we lost those levels of support because we were looking at a 1-2 setup. Where we had come up, let me go right here. We come up in a 1-2, looking to push up in a 3, and potentially within the wave 3, we're looking at a wave 1, pullback wave 2, but you can see we broke those levels of support, so that invalidates that. I guess there is still potential to put in a triple bottom and start to break out. But if Gala starts to lose these lows here, then what I'm looking at is that the wave 2 to the downside, the pullback correction is complete, the wave C, where we came down in a wave 1, which is right here in green. We ABC'd into a wave 2, and you're looking to come down in a wave 3 to take you down to 0.016. The only thing that opposes that is my indicators here on the daily. As you can see, price has been falling, consolidation, money's flowing back in, as well as we have that bullish divergence on the RSI. So there is still potential for a bounce. However, you can see we got a strong rejection off the 20 EMA. We're failing to break above the 20 EMA. So it all depends on BTC, right? Do we hold this level and start to bounce? Or do we start to break down, lose these levels of support, finally break 16.3, and see the continuation to the downside? Because Bitcoin has also met the minimum retracement for a wave 2, so it is possible. All right, gang, but I am watching these indicators pretty closely because usually that can signal a reversal. When price is falling, money is flowing back in. You also have a bullish divergence. It's hard to tell sometimes with these daily divergences. They can take time to play out. But even if we do bounce, as I mentioned, I do think you'll see a rejection off the falling wedge, continuation down to our target of 0.017. But the fact that we lost those levels of support invalidated that previous wave count. So especially if we do come down here and start to break this low of 0.0236, that will trigger the sell-off to bring you all the way down to about 0.016. The minimum target for a wave 3 is a 100% extension, which is at 0.020. All right, gang. Make sure to sign up to Bybit or BitGet. You can check out my full-length tutorial. Grab those up to $30,000 in bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. It takes 2 seconds. And I'll give you free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. You really can't beat it. All links are in the comment section as well as the description. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.